Alright, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon. I have for sale my 1974 Ford F-250 Ranger XLT long bed. It's factory height. Pretty much dang near 100% original except for the wheels and tires. It's a pretty good running truck, original engine. To my knowledge, it hasn't been rebuilt. Doesn't smoke. It's got a little ding here on the tailgate. Well, a couple of them, I guess. Call it character. And then I was hit over here, unfortunately, a couple months ago. Really disappointing. Didn't hurt the frame, just hurt my feelings. Anyway, she's still a beautiful truck. Runs really good. I'll let someone else decide how they want to tackle that. Whether they put a new side on there or whole bed. I don't know. Other than that accident, it hasn't been in any others. It waited for me. I put the vintage Oregon plates on there. I just thought it looked pretty cool. The plates that were on it weren't impressive. It's got all the chrome. And I know it looks like a rust bucket, but it's really not. It's just whatever you want to call it, patina, surface rust, whatever. The only show through is in the bed there. That's the worst of it. The cab is dry, cab is clean as far as any rust that goes through. Other than that, the bed was pretty nice, but you know, if you're particular and you want that fixed, again, you determine how you want to go about it. So just a fuel cell in the cab. Just a plug back there. There's no rear tank. Original door panels. I don't know if it's original seat cover or not. It's got a little torn up here on the driver's side. I just throw a towel over it. Doesn't bug me, but if it bugs you, you can fix it. Got your cool gun racks. I took the vinyl headliner down because it kept falling, so I think it needs to be looked at. It's got all the seat belts. Right now I think the only gauge not working is the temperature. I think it just needs a sending unit, I'm assuming. This cable here just broke on me the other day, doggone it. Other than that, the other worked. The radio turns on, but there must be a disconnect with the speakers or something, because I'm assuming they're stock speakers. Aren't playing, but got your vintage Midland CB there. Not hooked up. Some trailer brakes. Original carpet. Not too bad. It's probably due for a rubber kit. If you want to. Don't have to. Show you behind the seat. It's a fuel cell. Back of the seat's in good shape. Missing the dome cover there for the light, which isn't coming on right now. Show you the other side. straight doors. Door panels aren't perfect, but they're, for me, I just like original stuff, even if it's not perfect. So I like it. But just good shape all around, really. Carpet over here is a little more chewed up on the edge there. I could use a good cleaning or a new carpet kit, whatever you want. Just got that cardboard, or not cardboard, but board, whatever it is up there. And the visor's in good shape. Now the trim has some rust on it and surface rust on the paint in the cab. Four-speed, brand new first gear. Everything works as it should. Okay. Missing this hold down here, so that needs to be gotten. Put the antenna back up. Show you under the hood here. The bulb working there. Under the hood looking good. So battery's about a year old. I've had the exhaust manifold gaskets replaced just about a year ago. I've done the plugs, wires, rotor, cap, belts. Just keeps on running. Got the jack in there. Got your reservoir there. Has a little leak out the rear main, I believe. Doesn't keep me down though. I did rebuild the stock 2-barrel carburetor, Motorcraft. I haven't had to do anything to the radiator. No leaks, works fine, so I haven't touched it. So I leave it alone. Show you underneath. Now, according to the previous owner, which is the granddaughter of the original owner, and I think I have paperwork on it, that he had the dealer put on a 7,000 pound axle up front here. So supposedly it's heavy duty. I imagine there's a way to check it, but I don't know how. Under the wheel wells, good. Alright, the truck. Of course, you guys know that it's divorced. Transfer case here, so we got factory high boy is what they call it. It's not a lift kit, that's just the way the factory did it to make room for everything. We've got an old spare tire back there. Rear wheel well, passenger side. Just trying to give you some visual since you're probably not here to look at it. It's not chopped up. It's not beat up. It's just the way it's been since '74. For the most part. This old beefy bumper. Two size balls on it. This is where the Yowie is. You can see it's just affecting the bed, not the frame. Yeah, stall there. This is the driver's side wheel well. Steering works good. Got some load E tires here, heavy duty. Let's see what else. Guess we can start it up for you so you can hear it run. Take it on a drive test. But yeah, all the chrome. So I'm missing any chrome. I mean, I have this, but it's dented obviously. And it just so happens this piece here fell off like the day before, so I actually still have that piece. This one here, this is actually salvageable. It's not that bad. It's not dented, it's just scuffed, so it's good cleaning on that. Tailgate, this is a bummer, but it's been like that most of its life. So if you don't like it, tailgate. Alright, let's get her started up. So I also wanted to point out the original dash pad. Look at the shape it's in. All the way across the board. No cracks. Looking good. Plus the windows and the wind wings all open up. They crank how they should. So let's start up. That's what it does. It runs. No smoke. The valve covers, the labels are still on it. And no smoke. Give it a rev here. Alright, so next we'll do a road test, or a road demo, just so you can see how she goes down the road. Hello. Let's take this baby for a road test. Not that it's really a test, like a demonstration. built it in for safety. It's first gear, it's granny gear, 2-wheel high. Second. Wait for the gate. All right. Take her down to the bridge and back. Once it's safe to get out on the road, that is. All right, lost you there. Hopefully you're back. Hello, neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Alright, taking off in second gear. Because you can. I also have put a new clutch in it about a year ago. Throwout bearing or whatever. Windshield wiper blades. Blower works, temperature works. Oh, looks like we got us some interference here. Got the grid all out, cleaning up the ditches for winter. Tell you what, let's go back the other way. My granny reverse.